What's up, guys? So just a quick update. What we did basically from the last work, that we just reinforced this lower frame with another welded thin sheet above the original. We gave it a bit of thickness and strength, as you can see, and this is the condenser for the air condition. We just installed it. We're just testing the fitment still.
One fan, two working. One fan, two working.
Yes.
This working. This working.
Exactly. So that's how the fan will be distributing air to the intercooler. Sorry, to the oil cooler and to the condenser as well. And of course, the new bumper will allow the air to go in from the outside, but yeah, and that's the fan for the radiator. And basically on this area the intercooler lies in, connecting with the pipes for the turbo. But yeah, she's coming nicely, mashallah. And yeah, until the next update. This is actually taking a lot of time, but yeah, once it's done properly, then everything will fall into place. Then we can send the car for a full paint job. We will paint all the parts, heat paint it, so as you can see, the fitment, one second, as you can see, the fitment is like that at the moment. Just fidgeting with the fitment to see the place and giving some space as well, got ample of space over there. So that's how the fitment would look like. As you can see, we've already managed to put in the condenser and the intercooler from the outside and inside the frame of the car, as you can see, following this. And basically we have also managed for the front support for the frame, and this will also have the OEM look of the front bumper. And basically I am going to be running a few cuts, which I will show you later, about the different designs that I have laid out. So I will have some air cuts from here, from this segment, from the bumper, and on the frame. So basically this is the frame over here. This frame will have the cuts, which will allow air to go in the intercooler, which will not be acting as blocking. It will not block the air. In fact, that will be a much better thing for that. And I'll have the diffusers on the front bumper, of course, through the frame, and another air holes from the outer bumper from the outside, so the air can go from outside inwards. And of course the bonnet, which is on top over here, allows already a lot of air. And I've just checked with a couple of friends. I will remove the inner frame and just support the sides by doing a strong weld, so that allowing more air in and out of the front bonnet. But yeah, she's looking good. I'm happy with all, and yeah, it's looking perfect. The position of how it's supposed to be, sitting nicely. Some patience and some work can be done if you really put all the efforts in. And yeah, from my side, I'll be posting another video, and talk to you guys soon. Peace. What's up, guys? So this is the I think one more update. So of course we just did the fitment just to see. Tomorrow we're going to be putting the bumper to check the final fitting, and then if we need to do some adjustments. Of course there's a lot of adjustments that needs to be done still. I see a lot of mistakes, but yes, I'm gonna be taking you through the fitment over here. I wanted to do something regarding this. I'm not quite happy with this angle, but this is not the final finish, because this will be blended in with the surface. And this is the frame. This is where, it's behind this. I will reinforce this one after I make the openings over here, so I can allow air to go in. And I'll make some holes over here on the bumper, on this bumper basically, that I will be editing. So I will be putting some circles over here, like 4 circles over here, and probably 4 circles over there. And basically that will allow more air to go in this segment. And of course there will be a diffuser on this section to match that frame. So I will have here one rectangle, and one rectangle. That way, I can allow more air to go in the intercooler. And of course the OEM fitting of the front grille is still the same, unchanged, and it has the sponge that comes with it, that I will also cut some small rectangles in this. I will show you on the next video, but this is what we have done at the moment. Tomorrow we're going to be fitting the bumper and check out the fitment. And also I have to make some space to add a fog light, 2 fog lights on the front bumper, probably on the back side. So I'm gonna check out what I have to be doing, and then probably sending the whole bumper into making it one fiber. Just right now we're just doing the molding and mocking everything up to measure all the sizes and make sure that we have everything fit nice and clean. And then we send the whole car and the whole engine and the pipes for paint, and it will be, I promise you, it's gonna look flush. This is just a temporary, because those 2 will be blocked off. And yeah, I've already reduced the length of those hoses. Some arrangements are gonna be done as well. Of course, shortening the length of those. I will see what I can do regarding the hoses as well. There's a lot of changes going to be made. Of course, everything is going to be black hoses, and those will be the vacuum lines for the, I think for the turbo. Yeah, the vacuum line for the turbo. The boost. So yeah, this is all the fitment, and probably I'm going to be having to change this segment. Currently it is, I'm gonna go for a 3" from this segment till the bottom segment, basically the neck of the exhaust. Widen that into 3". Currently it's 2.7. give it more airflow. Yeah, basically working on her bit by bit to reach my goal. So stay tuned in the next video. Peace.